Hey guys, this is Nicole with the Outdoor Plus, and today we're showcasing the Outdoor Plus Tiki Torch Stands. These torch stands are 100% made in the US in our facility in Ontario, California. They're made out of high-quality materials that are outdoor rated and built to last. These are great accessories for you to add to your home since they're mobile and accessible, which means that they're easy to move around. They also come with a space for you to hide and connect your propane tank. And we offer a huge collection of torch hands. Today, we're showcasing 8 of these beautiful torches in metal powder coat in black. If you're interested in other finishes other than black, or you like to mix and match, go ahead and check out our website for more options. These torches are great to elevate your residential or commercial area since our torches are LC certified. We offer them in match lit or electronic ignition, and they're also available in natural gas or liquid propane. If you're interested in different styles, custom designs, or exclusive designs, make sure you contact the Outdoor Plus so we can get you started. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below, like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye.